Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Polkadot on Binance, follow these step-by-step instructions to purchase DOT through the world's leading cryptocurrency exchange. Step 1. Visit Binance.com or download the Binance app. Click Register and create an account using your email address or phone number and a strong password. Step 2. Complete identity verification by providing personal information and uploading government-issued identification. This process is required for trading and withdrawals. Step 3. Enable two-factor authentication for enhanced account security. Use Google Authenticator or SMS verification to protect your funds. Step 4. Deposit funds into your Binance account. Click Buy Crypto and choose your preferred method: credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Step 5. Once funded, navigate to the trading section, search for DOT or Polkadot, and select your preferred trading pair like DOT/USDT or DOT/BTC. Step 6. Choose between a market order for instant purchase at current price or a limit order to set your desired purchase price. Enter the amount of DOT you want to buy. Step 7. Review your order details including fees and total cost. Click Buy DOT to execute the trade. Your Polkadot will appear in your Binance Spot wallet immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.